औज़ बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। प्यारे बच्चों, आज प्रोयम यहाँ पर ओत्र यत आज प्रोयम ब्रोह कुन। The doctor arrived exactly at 2 o'clock. First of all, he met all the children of class 5th as the teacher welcomed the doctor. Rohit raised his hand when the doctor signaled. He stood up and said, Doctor, my material uncle lives in a village. These days he is in our town for money. Uh, Maternal grandfather's medical treatment in the hospital or health facilities uh, not available in other villages. Or of course there are medical facilities in the villages, said the doctor. In our country, the central and state government provides health facilities for all. Those facilities are available at all levels, such as the village level, block level, district level, smaller cities, and metropolitan cities. But these families are not the same anywhere. As compared to villages, cities have better and more up-to-date medical facilities. What kind of health facilities are available in villages? Asked Seema. In place where the population is about 5,000, there is a primary health sub center. But in hilly or far-flung areas, this facility is provided even for a population of about 3,000. In every primary health sub center, there is a one male and one female health worker. Both of them together look after health related activities such as providing information regarding the health of mother and child, family planning, vaccinations, etc. Thus, they play an important role in providing health education to the community. They also look after the work related to national health schemes such as eradication of diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, and polio. ठीक है, ये The doctor arrived exactly 2 o'clock. The doctors were barabar 2 baje kot school. First of all, he met the children of class 5th. Sas samkha sare broh god class 5th bachan. As the teacher welcomed the doctor, it says a teacher maklo doctor welcome kari ya tumo karu tum welcome. Rohit raised his hand when the doctor signaled. Rohit ne tulpan athod if the doctor signal ho. He stood up and said, Sase wo thot wonus. Doctor, my maternal uncle lives in a village. My uncle lives in a village. These days he is in our town for my maternal grandfather's medical treatment in the hospital. Yemon dono sunis town में रोजा किम खातर treatment खातर से. Our health facilities not available in the villages. Sunis तमाम facilities सन गाँव में available किहेतन. Of course, बेशक there are medical facilities in the villages. बेशक medical facilities में गाँव में, said the doctor. No, there are health facilities not available in the medical village. क्या medical facilities available छना गाँव में मौजूद के. Of course, बेशक there are medical facilities in the village. That is medical facilities गाँव में, said the doctor. क्या उन्हें doctor. In our country, the central and state government provides health facilities for all. Since state center या state government facilities तमाम सोलिया available Prathkunjai. These facilities are available at all levels such as village level, block level, district level. Facilities प्रथकुन सतह पर मौजूद available भैया, चाहे इस गांव सतह छा, ब्लॉक सतह पर छा या डिस्ट्रिक्ट सतह पर तमाम त्रन जायन छ मौजूद. Similar cities are metropolitan cities. Cities metropolitan cities, but these facilities are not same everywhere. Facilities چھنہٕ پرٛٮ۪تھ کُنہِ جایہِ ایویلیبل یِم سِٹیٖز منٛز ایویلیبل چھِ آسان تِم چھِنہٕ پرٛٮ۪تھ کُنہِ جایہِ ایویلیبل کِہیٖنۍ تہِ نہٕ ایز کمپیٲرڈ ٹُو وِلیجز یہِ گامو نِش یُس اگر أسۍ وٕچھو سِٹیٖز ہیو بیٹر مور اپ ٹُو ڈیٹ میڈِکل فیسلٹیٖز گامو کھۄتہٕ چھِ شہرن منٛز یا شہرکٮ۪ن یہِ ہاسپٹلن منٛز اپ ٹُو ڈیٹ فیسلٹیٖز ایویلیبل وٹ کاینڈ آف ہیلتھ فیسلٹیٖز آر ایویلیبل ان وِلیجز کم قٕسمٕچ فیسلٹیٖز چھِ ایویلیبل کتہِ گامو منٛز آس کٔڑ سیٖمان ووٚننس in places تِمن جاین where the population is about 5,000 یِمن جاین population 5,000 چھِ there is a primary health sub center تِمن جاین primary sub center ٹھیٖک چھا but in hilly or far flung areas چاہے تِم hilly چھا یا far flung area منٛز چھا facilities is provided even for a population of about 3,000 یہ facilities چھِ مہیا کرنہِ تِمن جاین یِمن جاین 3,000 تٲنۍ آبٲدی آسہِ and every primary health sub center there is a one male and one female worker پرٛٮ۪تھ کُنہِ primary sub centers پٮ۪ٹھ ہسا چھُ اکھ میل تہٕ اکھ فیمیل ورکر تعینات آمُت کرنہٕ both them together look after health related activities such as providing information regarding the health or mother and child family planning تِم ہسا چھِ دِوان ویکسِنیشن ایٹسٹرا تِم ہسا چھِ دِوان چھُ اسہِ انفارمیشن کتھ متعلق اکھ ہسا چھِ دِوان ہیلتھ متعلق ڈِزیٖز متعلق انفارمیشن ویکسِنیشن متعلق بیٚیہِ مدر ماجہِ تہٕ بچہِ سٕنٛز فیملی پلاننگ متعلق ہسا دِوان چھِ تِم انفارمیشن زیادٕ ٹھیٖک چھا اوکے